Congratulations, San Luke Presbyterian Church and Reverend Shin Yang Shik. Your dedication and perseverance and faith have brought about a remarkable achievement. May the new building serve as a beacon of hope, love, and spiritual growth for all who enters its door.
A blessed day. We would like to congratulate San Luke Presbyterian Church for their inauguration, for the new building that God has given to you. We pray that the Lord will bless you more, that your church there will be more useful for the expansion of His kingdom. This is God's plan, that He gave you a new building to worship, to celebrate His goodness and His faithfulness. And may the Lord be blessed also as you live your life.
We have gathered here today to celebrate the goodness of our God in the inauguration of this new church building. I would like to express my warmest appreciation for your support and commitment. I firmly believe that this building is not only made of concrete, wood, and steel, but it is made out of love, faith, and dedication. Thank you, and may God be glorified